My name is Hamad Sadiq. I study in Mariam Education System. I am in grade 5. This is my presentation about IT. What is content writing? Content writing means creating or writing different types of information for people to read. I can be do for websites, blogs, social media, books, or every school project. The goal of content writing is to give helpful, fun, or interesting information to read. Why is content writing important? When we search for something on the internet, we often find articles or blogs that explain the answer. Thus, articles are written by content writers. Content writing helps share knowledge with others, explain things in an easy way, make learning fun. Where do we see content writing? Websites. Almost every website has content written by someone. For example, if you want to learn about animals, you may find websites that explain facts about lions, tigers, and more. Blogs. A blog is like a diary online where people share their ideas and experience. Some people write travel blogs, cooking blogs, for event blogs about their favorite hobbies. Social media. When you read captions or posts on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, that's also a form of content writing. Advertisements. The ads you see on TV for online also need good content to attract people to buy products. What makes good content? Clean. It should be easy to read and understand. Helpful. It should answer questions or give full information. Interesting. It should keep the reader engaged and curious to read more.